Welcome to Training Module 4 for learning how to use Schoolwires. The objectives for this module are that you will understand how to use the assignment app or homework page. After watching this tutorial, you will be able to create categories or classes, post assignments, link assignments to your calendar, and upload related documents if you wish. Each of these training modules is designed to provide you with basic tools to get started. Please know that there are more advanced features for each module, and those tutorials can be created for each of those at a later time. The purpose of these introductory modules is to just get you started in a comfortable way and keep these videos accessible to you for you to use for future use. So now let's get started with the assignment app or homework page. Once again, I'm starting right here at my Site Manager page. As you can see, I currently have the assignment or homework page set to active. If you choose not to post assignments on a regular basis, you may just want to inactivate the page like this. For this demo, we'll leave it active, and I'll just click on this page title here to get started. Okay. As you can see, it's a homework page. It's also called an assignment app, and the first thing that I'm going to do is show you the Categories tab. If you're a teacher who teaches different subjects or different sections or even just different course titles, you might want to create categories so that you could post your homework for those specific groups. So let's create a new category, and I'm just going to call them Period 1 and Period 2. You can create as many as you need. Once you have your categories created, you can come back and let's say that we're going to assign something. So I want to give spelling work to my Period 1 class, some spelling homework. I'll create a new assignment, and I'll call it spelling 3 times each. Okay. And I'm going to assign that to category Period 1. I can choose the date that I want to assign it and the due date. I'll pretend that it's due on Monday and today is Friday. Alright, before I click Save, I'm going to go over to the directions. If I needed to put any specific directions in there, I could tell the kids, write 3 times each. Okay. And let's say I had sent a worksheet with them. That's just a little something extra. You have all your standard word processing tools here, so you can change the look of that and different things. If you have your class calendar activated and you wanted to post this on there, you could click on Post to Calendar, simply click Add to Calendar, and it already says Activate on my page, and then you can click Save. Okay, so that group is going out to Period 1. Let's view the website so we can see what it looks like. In the homework section, I now have current assignments are spelling 3 times each. It goes to Period 1 and the due date. If your students click right here, that's actually a link to the directions that tells them a little bit something more about your homework that you had written. Okay. Let's go back. I'm going to X out right here of my little view website thing, and I'm going to go back in here and show you one other cool trick. If you go back to the directions page, one of the things that you can do is you can link documents directly to your Schoolwires page. So if you had that worksheet and some of your kids tend to lose their papers on the way home and you wanted to provide a paper copy that they could print out for themselves at home, you can do that. You can just link it. If you have it already saved to your desktop somehow, it's a Word document that you created or a PDF that you already had somewhere saved in your computer, all you have to do is go get it. Click on this button right here. We're going to insert a file link. Okay. And I'm going to upload a file. I'll just browse for it. And I know that I have one on my desktop, and I put it in a folder called, I can find it. There it is, 111. Okay, and I have a PDF of a worksheet called Spelling 3 times each. So I'll just click on that, open. It goes in that blank. I'm going to continue. We always have to link text. I explained that in the image tutorial. So we'll just call it anything and insert the file. Okay. Right here is the 3 times each file that you can send to your kids. and I can even put directions here. All right, and then they can have that. I'm going to click Save and sort of show you how this works. Okay. So now I'll go back to view the website so I can test this out. Go over to my homework. Here's my assignment. To click on this to see a little bit more about the assignment. And your students can click on the following hyperlink if they need an extra copy of the worksheet. If they just click there it is. It opens and they actually have that homework at home and the parents can see it too. So it's kind of a handy little thing that you can do now where you can link your homework right to your Schoolwires page. Of course, going to